Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Canizzato here today. We're going to be making Pollo Cacciatore, which is chicken cacciatore. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. The ingredients that we need: chicken, peppers, mushroom, plum tomato, parsley and basil, bay leaves, red wine, white onions, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, crushed red pepper, oregano. Okay, I'm going to add the wine. Let it cook up a little bit, and then I'm going to add my tomato sauce. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and bon appetit!